If you're an animal lover, then you will be very aware of the sounds all the animals out there make. True? Welcome back to our channel, guys. We are back with yet another amazing quiz for y'all. So if you're ready to find out how well you know animals, then there's no better way to find out than by taking the Guess the Animal by their sound quiz. So here we go. Sound number 1. Options: A. Gorilla, B. Tiger, C. Walrus, D. Buffalo. Correct answer is C. Walrus. Came up like an underdog, didn't it? Yes, the animal you heard was a walrus in its natural tone. Sound number 2. Options: A. Buffalo, B. Camel, C. Donkey, D. Duck. Correct answer, B. Camel. The voices of a camel calling out for other mates. Sound 3. Options: A. Hippopotamus, B. Pig, C. Deer, D. Leopard. Correct answer, B. Pig. Pigs are known for their voices. This probably would have been the easiest guess for those who've seen and heard pigs, due to their distinguished voice. Sound 4. Options: A. Armadillo, B. Hamster, C. Squirrel, D. Rabbit. Correct answer, A. Armadillo. What you heard was the voice of an armadillo. It has a very unique voice with a friendly nature and has an armored body that they use for protection if it is attacked by other larger animals. Sound 5. Options: A. Rhino, B. Seal, C. Crane, D. Duck. Correct answer, A. Rhino. Yes, the huge body comes with a very thin voice. Though you never expected them to sound like this. Rhinos usually sound the way you just heard. Sound 6. Options: A. Hummingbird, B. Pigeon, C. Cheetah, D. Leopard. Correct answer, C. Cheetah. The voice you just heard was of the ferocious, dangerous, strong, and swift cheetah. Too much for the personality, right? Sound 7. Options: A. Rat, B. Rabbit, C. Owl, D. Grasshopper. Correct answer, B. Rabbit. You just heard a rabbit in the last clip. Pretty astonishing how such small cute animals can sound deadly, but deadly animals like cheetahs sound feeble. Sound 8. Options: A. Giraffe, B. Bear, C. Camel, D. Gray wolf. Correct answer, B. Bear. The voice you heard was of the bear. It can run up to 40 miles per hour and can weigh up to 900 to 1500 pounds and grow up to 6 to 10 feet. Sound 9. Your options are A. Deer, B. Tyrannosaurus, C. Bull elk, D. Seal. Correct answer, C. Bull elk. The voice you heard was of a bull elk. This animal can run up to speeds of 40 miles per hour and can grow up to 9 feet tall. Sound 10. Options are A. Hedgehog, B. Squirrel, C. Baby hippopotamus, D. Porcupine. Correct answer, D. Porcupine. The answer to this is a porcupine. These little cute creatures have a cute little voice which almost sounds like a puppy. So that's it from our side. How many could you get right? Comment down below your scores and stay tuned to our channel to learn more of such things. Make sure you hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel to learn more amazing things. Until next time, happy learning!